Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. After Anthropic released their new popular reasoning model, this Claude 3.7 Sonnet, many of you requested me that to make a video how to get this Claude 3.7 Sonnet for free to generate the code. Now in this video, I will tell you the full process, so stay with me till the end. So as you remember that in the last video, I already told you this Claude 3.7 Sonnet is completely beating the other popular models in case of software engineering to generate the code in terms of accuracy, and also in this agentic tool use. And also if you see this chart, that it is completely beating the OpenAI O3 mini also, and this DeepSeek R1 and this Grok 3 also. In some of the cases it is beating, and in some of the cases it is matching the benchmark in this agentic coding, agentic tool use, and this graduate level reasoning, and this multilingual visual reasoning in all of these cases. So we are very much interested to use this Claude 3.7 Sonnet for free. Now for that you have to install this tray. So in the last video, this was the video of this tray. You see, in this video I already told you that how to install this Trae AI software. Okay, so this is basically like the cursor and winder, but it is completely free. So please watch this video. I have given this link in the description box. So in that video I already told you how to install it, step by step procedure. By the way, the installation procedure is simple very, and I have given this link, this download link in the description box. So according to the operating system, you please install it. Now after installation you will find this type of things. Okay, these types of UI. So by the way, the step-by-step installation procedure is already discussed. Okay, now here you see that February 27 2025 they released this tray has actually access to this Claude 3.7 Sonnet and providing more powerful AI generation capabilities. Okay, so now we will try this. By the way, if you have already installed this tray in your machine, now in that case click on this account. So follow my cursor, and here you will find this check for updates. Now it will get the latest update when you click on this. Okay, now what I will do that I will make a app using this Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Now where you will get this Claude 3.7 Sonnet? So follow my cursor. Here you see that in this chat option below, if you click on this, there are three pop-ups are coming: Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and GPT-4o. In the last video, I already told you that in this chat section you will find this two model, but if you go to this builder, there you will get access to this only Claude to generate the code. Okay, so for this chat you will get this GPT-4o and Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and for this builder you will get access to only Claude. Okay, now let me build one app. Okay, now here I have selected this Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and from this model option, and now what I'll do, so I have found one interesting prompt. Here you see that on this Twitter I have found this weather app. Okay, so if you see that Claude 3.7 Sonnet is insane, just one prompt and you get this animated card in HTML, JavaScript and CSS. By the way, you can use any technologies like React or Next.js according to your need. Okay, but for this video purpose I am just trying this prompt. So if you see that with this prompt you will get this type of animated weather dashboard. Okay, so let me also try that if I can generate the same thing using this tray plus Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So the prompt is this. Okay, copy this prompt and go to this tray. Okay, and here paste it. Okay, and press enter. Now you see that it is thinking, and so it is now generating the code using this Claude 3.7 Sonnet, completely free. By the way, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you see that in this channel you will get access to all of this AI tool news and all of this free AI coder combination. I have made already many videos like this. Some days ago I made a video on this Gemini code assist. By using it you can generate the code unlimited, and you see that this convergence browser AI agent and many videos. Okay, so please subscribe this channel to get the latest video on this AI. Now back to my code, and here you see that this weather cards.html. Now let me accept it. Okay, so accept all. Now my HTML is ready, and now it will generate the CSS. Okay, this code got generated. It is telling me that to run this or to see the UI, it is telling me to run this command. Okay, so if I click on this run, and after that you will find the web view. By the way, it has by default one web view. Okay, so I am choosing this Google Chrome. Click on this just once. Here you see that this is the stunning UI. Okay, and if you go to this tray also, here on the left hand side, this is the fourth option from the top. Here also you will get the web view, but in that case you have to explicitly mention this tray that please start this application. Okay, so I already discussed about this in the last video. Okay, this was the video, so please watch this video, you will get the idea. By the way, you see that this is the animated weather cards, and this is a show all section, and if I click on this wind, then this is the windy, this is the rain, the sun and snow. You see, so this filter is also working properly, and I got these animated things. So for this sunny and snowy, we didn't get any animation, so you can mention it that I got the animation for this windy and rainy, but for this sunny and snowy there is no animation, so please add it. Okay, and also make it modern. So in this way you can generate any kind of website using this Trae plus Claude 3.7 Sonnet combination. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed it, please do a like to this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.